Today we have an adventure planned. We are going to be heading to a place in Pennsylvania called Buttermilk Falls. I've never been there, don't know what to expect, but hopefully I can put together a nice little video of what it's all about and all the sights that are there. We finally made it. We took a detour. We went the wrong way. We should have been here in 20 minutes or 25 minutes. It's been over an hour. Got lost. Got chased with some guys with sporks. It's been a journey, but we are finally at Buttermilk Falls. We made it. Path to the falls. We're headed down. What do you think so far, Teddy?
Pretty good.
I think you like it pretty good.
Yeah.
Yes, you can go under it down. Teddy, look. That's where you can go under it.
Well, yeah, I don't go under it.
Take a second though. Yeah.
I'm gonna be on it. Wait, here's trying to see it.
Okay.
Wow.
We're gonna get it down and get closer to it here, but we saw this little area.
Yeah, I want to go there.
You have to go first. Just, I mean.
Who's that? Who's that?
Ah.
Chickadee.
Oh, here's water.
Oh, look at this. Got a little bridge here. So, I guess, are we technically kind of at the top of the falls?
I guess so, yeah.
So we're going to walk down to the bottom of them. You coming, big guy?
Yeah, I'm right behind you.
I'm surprised with all the rain we've had.
I thought the same thing.
It's not...
You might grab his hat.
It's in
Or
class.
stop for a second and I can get it. Yeah, baby.
Teddy's not quite sure if he wants to look out, but here. Here. Ooh.
He's got dongs with the backside. Doesn't make a trip.
Yeah.
So Teddy, that's where we were up there.
Yeah, we came from
that's
way
where we were up there.
there.
No, keep your arms up, honey bunny.
Uh-huh.
At the top of it?
Yeah.
I will go inside it. So
We're going to.
Whoa, that's a good spot here.
Yeah. That's pretty. There's Teddy. Using the handrails. Like a good boy, huh?
So cool.
Ooh, here we go, buddy.
We're going to get wet.
Oh.
Run.
What happened? Oh, you're not going to take him in, right?
Oh, I just dropped it.
My God.
Oh, boy.
I've never been here. I already got wet.
Run through it.
Don't run. Yeah.
Yeah.
Run is not right.
Well, yeah, with Teddy. Oh. Ooh. Oh, this is really cool, though, huh?
Whoa.
There's Teddy. What do you think, big guy? You like it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I want to see it. Yeah, I want to see that. Is that all I see that I'm saying?
Yeah, this is the waterfall, dude.
Is that it?
See how it's kind of dripping off the ceiling?
Is that it?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah, this is it, baby.
That's all it is.
Wow.
I thought there was more.
Oh, Teddy.
Can you get a picture of me and Lenny? Oh, wait, Teddy, come here. Daddy can take a picture
Like
of
it's
us.
raining. Buttermilk Falls. Surprised it wasn't more wet. This year's been very, very rainy, but it was very, very pretty. Something worth checking out if you're in the area. Teddy was saying that he thinks that there's maybe a monster that lives in those holes up here. We haven't seen any, but it's possible.
What time you go Will we just look?
Teddy wants to go off-road in here.
Okay, Mom. Hey, Mom. You're like climbing up a mountain.
Yep. Kind of steep, huh?
It's this steep.
Big trees.
Make sure I don't fall back, so I'm holding your pants so I don't fall back.
Don't pull my pants down.
I'm not sure if I do, I won't try to if I do. Oh, here's a couple of trees. Hey, Mom. You guys want to come right by us?
Watch divot here.
Hey, Mom. We just got close to you.
All right, everybody have fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
We got to see something we never saw before. Maybe we'll come back again sometime in the future. But yeah, it was a nice day. Beautiful weather. Definitely something that worth to check out. I'm glad we came and saw what it was all about. Lenny agrees.